Hello, and my name is James Ruppert, and I'm inside a frozen 41-year-old Land Rover in the wilds of Norfolk. And what I'm really doing today, you may know who I am, you may not, but I do post videos here at the Bangernomics channel. I'm doing a sort of a little CV for various reasons. People may not know who I am or what I am. I started selling cars over 40 years ago. It was sort of the best real job I've ever had, really, amongst all the other real jobs that I have had for a while. And that was good. And I went on from there to do writing. I ended up having a column for a prestigious car magazine called Car. And for 18 years, I wrote about used cars. I did features and interviews and all sorts of other things. And then went on to Autocar for another 18 years and did pretty much a very similar thing there. I had a column there and did various things. I'm responsible for the word Bangernomics, which I invented well over 30 years ago. I wrote a book about it. I just believe that we can run used cars very cost effectively, avoid depreciation, and run a car. I mean, motoring expenses have never been higher, really, and the need for running a car bangernomically has never been more important. So I've been doing that still. I started my own magazine many years ago, 10 years ago, Free Car Mag, where we sail close to the wind with the stories that we do, but we did stories and we have done stories that no one else will touch. We were very sceptical about EVs, and that's come to pass. Identified the problem with Jaguar before anyone else was identifying the problem with Jaguar, and that was 2 years ago. Even Chinese cars, that was over 5 years ago. We sort of said, should you be buying these? And maybe you should, maybe you shouldn't, I don't know. But we went there, and that maybe explain why I'm no longer in the mainstream motoring media. I'm going down my own little path, which I'm quite happy to do, still doing books. Bangopedias, there's 40 years worth of cars that you should either buy or avoid. All the ones I came across whilst I was buying and selling cars. That's good. I've been down rabbit holes. I've written about the car industry, British car industry, German car industry, that even won awards for my own writing, which has been great over the years for consumer and being top journalist and all that sort of stuff. Hasn't helped me one little bit, because I'd still be working somewhere, wouldn't I, if people paid attention to that sort of thing. I'm a fairly naughty boy when it comes to this sort of stuff. I've done radio, I've done TV stuff, loads of books, and I don't know. I'm having fun. You can find me on Substack as well. I post articles there about what's going on. But Free Car Mag and Substack, you can find just about everything I've written in the last few years. But please buy books if you can. That's brilliant. Oh yeah, Ed Miliband. I put my head on the block, and mad Ed Miliband. I've written a novel there explaining why what he's doing is mad. Because at the moment I'm fighting in my local area one of the biggest solar farms. They're not solar farms, they're solar factories in the UK. So that's what I'm up to. It's all good fun. But thank you very much for watching. I've been James Ruppert, and a happy new year. All the best for 2026, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.